1/3.
G'day, this is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you on board. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. Let's take it down. Stand by to know the times. Landing back strides, lighting plates, increase for the moment. Take it down easy. Capture a 10 while the main ballast tanks. Speed 0 to 6 at 100 knots. Steer 30 degrees. All hand forward, steady as she goes.
Those are bubbles.
As we leave the coast before the zone, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right front up, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city. Thanks. Stand by for weather watch. Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. Steer 40 degrees. In fact, when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches to 2,000 kilometres. As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to make a community of a different kind. No worries, we'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down. Level off all remaining fathoms. Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes. The fish pool has always been considered a silent habitat. Now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Where are you?
Did you find Nemo or Marlin? Oh, Dory's up at the top.
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady, take her into the current. All hands standard.
We're in the current.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Marlin.
This is fun!
ain't no funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo!
It's a big sunken pot. Sweet.
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo? I am looking for my son.
I can help.
Nemo!
Where?
No, that's what I'm trying to find.
Why who?
My son Nemo. You know that. Remember you can mention it. You don't remember me.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like he can be smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
See who? Where's she going?
Don't worry, we're not going to eat you, at least not all at once.
Remember the pledge.
Right then, I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates, easy does it. And you want one of these
Steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead, full.
Something happened?
Yeah. He scored. What is he doing? I don't know.
We're okay.
Race you there. Okay. Go.
Dory?
Dory. Wait.
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see it.
What are they?
It's getting
I think they're anglerfish.
Something touched me.
Got it?
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anything. It's me.
Do I know?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
What's that? Looks like
Oh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink. We're good.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
Mr. Smarty Pants. Oh,
Stop playing games.
come on, it's fun.
No, Dory. Let's go.
I love parties. I found a hot tub.
It's not about finding the hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo. Nemo, I found you. I'm so worried.
Hey, you guys notice the arrival of Nemo?
Nemo, say something.
Can't we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo!
You shot a huge tornado go
Kaboom! Oh, you made me eat!
Oh, go some fat. Noggin.
Dude!
Does that smell kind of realish to you?
Just got eaten by a whale.